Rabbit with number 3, 3. Circle the face, ears. Draw the body. Next tail, legs, eyes. Draw the nose. Next mouth. Draw the carrot. Like and subscribe. Next letter D with rabbit. Semicircle, seeds. Next hands, rabbit hands. Next semicircle, eyes, nose, mouth. Next ears, draw the ears. Color the watermelon. Next 6 minus 2 with rabbit drawing. Circle, draw the ears, eyes, nose, mouth. Next draw the body, legs, draw the tail. Next lion drawing 5, 6 with lion drawing. Simple and easy. Like and subscribe. Thank you.